myself, I love you forever. I tell everybody else, Jesus is my treasure. Taste and see